To remove this panel here, you need to remove these plastic clips. You have one right there and one here. Some of them you can twist and pull them away. There's also kinds that have a pin in the center. You have to pop that center pin out first, and then you can remove the retainer. Once you remove these retainers, make sure you don't have any extra ones, and then we can remove this panel right here. You need to pull it this way. First, we need to disconnect the negative terminal. This is a 10mm nut. You do not need to remove this nut, you just get it loose and then pull it away.